In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thank you cards using Canva, a popular online graphic design tool that's widely used for creating beautiful designs quickly and easily. Whether you're expressing gratitude to a friend, family member, or colleague, a personalized thank you card can make your message feel truly special. Let's jump right into the process and see how you can create a card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. First, head over to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It's free and only takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page where you'll find countless templates for every type of project. For this tutorial, go to the search bar at the top and type "thank you card." This will give you access to a wide selection of professionally designed layouts that you can use as a starting point. Scroll through the results and explore different styles. Canva offers designs ranging from elegant and minimalist to playful and colorful. Take your time to pick a template that resonates with you or fits the personality of the person you're sending the card to. Once you've chosen a design, click on Customize this template to enter the editing workspace. This is where you can make the cards truly your own. Start by editing the text to match your personal message. You could simply write "thank you" or craft something more specific like "thank you for being there" or "thanks for your support." Adjust the font style, size, and color to complement the overall design. Next, consider the background. Click on the background area to see color options and select a shade that matches the mood you want to convey. You can even add stickers, shapes, or other elements from Canva's library to give your card extra flair. Once you're happy with your design, you can download it in your preferred format. Canva allows you to save it as a PDF for printing or as an image to share digitally via email or social media. Personalizing your card ensures that your gratitude feels heartfelt and genuine, making a much bigger impact than a generic card. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've created a professional, beautiful, and fully personalized thank you card using Canva. Whether you send it digitally or print it out, your card will stand out and convey your appreciation effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.